Yes, sir. You lost me right there.
Where
Wanna use the M. The AB square equals BD square.
because remember the A is being represented by AC and the B is being represented by CD. So the A squared is the AC squared. The CD squared or the B squared is the CD squared, and the 2AB, well, the 2 is from the formula. The A is the first value, which is AC. The B is the second value, which is the CD. You with me now?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, note that this and this, let me put 2 lines underneath each, is found right here. You notice? Yes? Because BD squared plus CD squared is A squared. So I can remove them. In fact, let's remove everything. AC is actually AB. That's C, that side C is AB. So if I say AB squared, that's like me saying C squared equals, well, I just told you that this and this gives me A squared plus, let's look at the next one, AC. Where is AC? AC is right here, see, A to C. And A to C, we call it B. So this will be B squared plus, now here's the problem, 2 AC we said is B. Now the problem is that CD is imaginary. It's the orange piece. CD is the orange piece right here. So I don't know what to do with that yet. So let me just bring it down and place it as just CD. But, so this is where C comes in. So C, if I look at this triangle, I'm gonna call this, right? I'm gonna call this 180 minus theta. I'm gonna call this one theta, okay? Are you with me? Or if you want, you can do it the other way around. It not really matter. I can call this theta. I can call this 180 minus theta. Do you see why? Talk to me. Do you see why? Yes or no?
No, sir.
How much does a straight angle have? How many degrees does a straight angle have?
180.
180.
180.
So if this is theta, then the remainder will be 180 minus that, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, exactly. So now let me consider now the same triangle, BCD. This CD, I can call it the adjacent of that triangle, and A is actually the hypotenuse. So which trig ratio talks about adjacent over hypotenuse? Which trig ratio?
Cosine.
Cosine.
Cosine. So I'm going to be using cosine ratio, and the cosine ratio says that the cosine, oh Lord, the cosine of theta is adjacent over the hypotenuse. So that means that the cosine of theta, the adjacent is CD, right? Is CD, and the hypotenuse, we found it to be A. Yes? Everybody with me?
Yes.
But CD did not exist. So CD na exist any ata. So CD is equal to A cos of theta. Now,